from Joyfully Art. This is the painting from my last video, my flip and drag. It turned out really pretty. I like all the copper. Dried really smooth. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to be trying something new in my video today. I'm going to be talking instead of the voiceover and see how that goes. I hope that the few subscribers that I do have will let me know if they like this better or if they like the voiceover. And also I'm going to be trying something different with my background. I'm going to be mixing white and some gray together to do my background instead of just pure white. So we'll see how that comes out. I'm going to be doing I don't know what it's called. Give it a stir. A Dutch pour today. Let's see how it comes out. If I've got enough paint, I might have to add some more. Get something to spread it with real quick. You watch my videos before, you know I always end up forgetting something. I always have to go off camera and get something to do it with. I get tired of the same black and white backgrounds. I wanted to try something different today. Make sure it's all covered. I'll fill in the sides off camera. It takes too long to do all of that. I'm sure you don't want to watch all that. I'm having a hard time getting started on YouTube with my subscribers, so I hope that maybe if I change things up a little bit, I will get some more subscribers. Torch. All the air bubbles because I shook my white really good. And I see a hair in there. We have dogs, so that's a casualty. I'm gonna start with, this is Master's Touch Ocean Green. Artist Loft Aqua Marine Blue. Winsor Newton Cad Yellow Medium Hue. Artist Life Metallic Orange. Put a little bit more of this, of the ocean green. More metallic blue. If you know my problem, I always get too much paint and I always overdo it. A little bit more the cad yellow. Okay, I think that's good. Now my problem is I don't know whether to use white or the gray to blow over. Clean that off a little bit. I think I'll use white. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, I can tell right now I don't have enough paint. Not enough white to blow over. I can get some more. This is probably too much. Way too much. Blowing up my plastic. I know there's beautiful paint under there, colors under there. I just got too much white. Can scrape some of this white off. Let's see what happens now. What do we think? The sides. Those look pretty good. Oops. Underneath, so I won't pull down my design. Okay. Wipe my hands off a little bit. Give it one last torch. Doesn't look like my usual Dutch pour, but I kind of like it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know I showed you my colors, but they will be down in my description below. And I hope that you will share this video and give me a thumbs up. I hope you like it. And as always, please have a great day.